Okay, we are here at the Ocean Park in Cebu. This is pretty much what it looks like as soon as you walk through the little entrance there. And we got people taking pictures. Ready? Okay, we're getting a lot of gridlock back there, people taking pictures. It's like you'd be walking along and, huh?
Then you take a photo for you. They're looking at me.
Yeah. It's like, what are we doing wrong? That's all fun. All right. Observing people is always probably just as interesting as observing the tourist spot that you're at. Excuse me. We'll go back and take a picture in a minute. Are you scared, hon?
No.
It's dark in here. I just asked you if you're scared. You said no. And then I was like, oh no, a snake. That's a big one, huh? What do we got here? A little baby green iguana? Oh no!
I'm sweating already.
My wife is afraid of the big snake. Okay, we just left the snake area because my wife was like, oh, I'm so afraid of snakes. He's gonna bite me. Oh, let's get out of here. So now we're out in the more gentle, more friendly lorries. I think it's a lorries section of the park. Or basically where the birds are, I guess. I don't know.
Oh my God. You have to pay them.
Oh, okay. So anyways, that's where we are. Okay. So we just did what, the lorries?
The lorries.
And actually it was kind of cool. The colorful birds out there landing on your head, and you can put them on your shoulders. And yeah, I didn't capture all that on video, but it was, yeah, it's pretty cool. Got some nice pictures out there. We are now entering Seven Seas. I guess if you're small enough, you can go down in this little tunnel, down through there, and pop your head up through there. Oh, what do we have here? She's inside the aquarium. Stingray.
People just sit there, they know that we're taking
I think you ready? Hey! So this is kind of nice. I think you can sit down and relax, have some sit in here and have something to eat or drink. Snack time. Yeah, it's really nice. You can sit down and watch the fish while you relax. Let's take a walk down here. Whoa, that light just kind of threw my balance off. I think. Pretty cool. Take a look and see what they have for snacks. They have Danishes or yeah. Oh, look at the eclairs. Ah.
this one. See?
We're not gonna eat a whole cake though. They look delicious. Yeah. Okay, so I guess this is it. The end of your journey. So, thank you. Give you a sneak peek at the gift area. Okay guys, that's about it. It's the end of our journey here at the Cebu Ocean Park. You got the SM Seaside City Cebu Mall, I guess, right across the street. But yeah, that was pretty fun. That was interesting. Cost about 600 pesos to get in per head. I thought we paid 550 online, but don't quote me on that. But in that general ballpark. So that being said, thanks for joining us. We'll see you again soon. All right, later guys. Bye-bye.